safety. Tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical.
Give y'all a quick update. You know, I think the videos might slow down a little bit, and the reason why is I'm having a baby in like 3 days. Yeah, if not today. Yeah, gonna be having a baby pretty soon. It's a daughter, in case any of y'all are wondering. And right now, my other 2 daughters, they're sick. So I think it's kind of good that we are able to have them get their sickness out of the way before my new daughter comes. Doesn't that sound bad? My new daughter makes it sound like my other daughters are just no good anymore. Yeah, but yeah, so I gotta, you know, obviously be available to help my wife, help out. So videos might slow down. I'm gonna do my best to not let them slow down. Yeah, man, but I thought, you know, we haven't been doing many videos like this on the channel. So I thought it'd be a good thing to just do something a little different. You know, I'm always doing this scripted, look at that gravel, doing these scripted videos, and sometimes it's cool to just kind of go along for a ride and, you know, kind of go together even though we're not together. So yeah, it shouldn't be too far. It actually started at 7. It's 7:49. We're almost there. I actually had to ride a pretty far way to get here. Man, I mean, do y'all like cars too, or just bikes? You know, let me know in the comments. Now, what I really want to get, even though I do like cars, see, I don't just like cars, I like vehicles. I mean, it'd be nice to have a Jeep or a Rivian. I do like those new Rivian trucks. What is that? That is sick. Oh, it's a 1000 cc. Look at that. All right, we're here. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh man, I've been in one of these before.
I work in finance. God bless, no, this not by chance. Don't dab me, you're not my man. Don't at me, you're not my man. Mama said don't buy it if you cannot buy it twice.
Our guy got this thing freaking autographed. That's beautiful. See, it's the attention to these little details that matter so much.
Days, that's for sure though. Grinding from the grip, no shame, take a photo. Time to take a trip, we head north to the border. Say you feeling up, I'm my favorite type of hoarder. I got kids to feed, I got enemies, I got guys give, so they envy me. Got some friends out in Memphis like I'm Aubrey. Got some friends
Now this is a beauty. Gonna shoot my boy a shout out on Instagram. Ooh, look at that. I think this is a real race car right here, buddy. This the real deal. You ain't got nothing in here. I mean, that dude look like he want to be so lightweight. I'm surprised he even put the stickers on here. My man trying to save every ounce. Oh my gosh, boy. This right here is a sexy vehicle. 427 Punisher. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Now this is what you call beautiful. Old school Stingray. We got old school and new school. New school, old school. I didn't know they had a International Thunderbird Club. Look at that. Them ain't no 20s, Craig. All right, they 19s, but I keep them clean though. It's nice. Man, look at that. Look at that interior. About to beginner motorcycle riders, if you had to give them one tip to be safe, what would it be?
Okay. The thing that kept me from getting hit all the time is every time I approached an intersection or did anything, I would always think, what would happen if somebody ran through the intersection? What would happen if my brakes failed? What would happen if, and as long as I was anticipating an accident, I never had one.
That's good.
And the other thing is, do not ride the moment the rain stops.
I'm gonna put it right here because the sun.
Freeways are, and the roads really slick right down the middle, and a lot of people slide.
Yeah, good thing we don't have much of that in SoCal. That's why
we got a shit ton of oil on
it. That's why the rent's $1 million a month. So thank you for that.
Hey, you're very welcome.
I appreciate you. You're the bomb.com.
Everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go.
Oh yeah, man.
I get to play with the pros and that like a
like I said, I really enjoyed this. Like I said, I could do this again. If y'all like it, let me know. Oh, before we... Yeah.